Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a dentist miniature ad. So I have my Notion here, okay, and I have the prompts here. Alright, so we are gonna use Kriya for this, okay, and we are gonna change the ratio to 9.6. Yeah, that works for me. And there is something that I want to tell you guys. If you are using your email, which like how I'm using right now, that's fine, but I would suggest you to use a temporary email. So let me show you how this works. mailticking.com. okay, this one I've already attached in the Notion, so you guys can follow along. If not, then you can use your own. Okay, then your temporary email is ready, so you can just activate and then sign in with the account. But I'm using my own account, so let's see. Okay, so I have multiple prompts, and let's go with, I will choose only one prompt, guys. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go with this. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to Kriya, paste. Okay, the result so far is nice. I'm thinking to use something else. Let's try to use Microsoft Designer. I want to compare their result actually. Okay, I have already entered my prompt here. If you want, you can enhance the prompt, but I'm fine with my prompt. Let's click create. Oh wow, this looks so realistic. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, let's download this, and I'll use this one using Kriya. Okay, now we can go to, by the way, Kriya can generate videos also, guys, so let's try. Okay, same prompt I will enter for the video prompt. Same prompt I will enter with generate. Let's see how the result is. And we can compare using Pixverse also. Let's choose another image for Pixverse and enter your prompt. Okay, if there is any audio, you can enable. Let's create. It's good. I don't have any objection with this. This is fine. Okay, now let's see how Pixverse is. Pixverse is also fine, guys, so I'm fine with both the result, but I hope you get the idea how this works. And if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you can create a dentist miniature advertisement using AI. And if you want to use the temporary email generator, I will put in the link description. You can use it also. Alright, so that's it guys, and I will put the Notion link in the description as well, so you guys can follow along. Alright, so thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're watching until the very end, don't forget to comment I have watched till the very end, or drop a yellow heart or yellow star. Also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, because it takes so much of effort and time to create video tutorials just for you guys. So please do support and show some love. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next video.